Ladies and gentlemen, if you are looking to multiply your earning, regardless if you are a beginner or let's say if you are advanced, you got high expertise, and I want you guys to understand that this right here is going to help you a lot, especially whenever it comes to make some money. So today, we're going to be diving down into what is known as Eden Gate. And listen, there's a lot of benefits here. Let's get it. Please keep in mind, I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. This video is for educational purposes only. Alrighty, so ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel as mentioned. I would like to welcome you to what is known as Eden Gate Group. You heard that correct, guy. And if you guys do not know, we're talking about your wealth, their mission, and your success, right? Makes perfect sense. So I want you guys to understand whenever it comes to this website, it definitely reflects some professionalism. Not only that, credibility. I also want you guys to understand that there is a simple layout and intuitive navigation across this whole website. So it's definitely easy to find things. Or let's say even the same thing whenever it comes to say trading platforms and account types. Not only that, but the FAQs as well. All right. So let's go ahead and just scroll here. You guys will see that we have a lot of important details. So for example, like who they are. If we just kind of take a look here, you guys can see step into Eden Gate Wealth Management. So where trading isn't just their business, it's their passion. Not only that, their ecosystem, it caters to both real and institutional clients, delivering seamless access to international markets, diverse assets, and intuitive instruments, right? You guys will see right here, technically their purpose and aspirations, right? So obviously we have their mission. So the overall mission here, you guys, basically they strive to equip every trader, regardless of experience. Like I stated, this is great if you're obviously a beginner, advanced, right? Expert. Okay, but you guys can see right here, it's to help with tools. All right, basically to provide you tools that you need to succeed by making advanced trading accessible and providing dependable support. They provide, okay, not only that, but I want you guys to understand that they actually level the playing field. Okay, and that right there is critical, right? And you guys will even see right here that they do have their vision. Okay, so obviously it's pretty much the same thing. And then we even have the objective. Okay, so anyways, there's a lot of core benefits here. Basically, it's to simplify, streamline investing for users. Right, let me just go ahead and make that very clear. Okay, now some of the benefits here, you guys, or why you want to be here. Well, listen, I want you guys to understand we're talking about they have many different type of features like educational tools. They got AI trading support and responsive support team, which is great. So this definitely adds values for investors like me and like you, right? Not only that, but the platform, if we actually just kind of take a look here, you guys will see, I mean, you can actually get started pretty easy and simple. So obviously sign up, get started, right? After that, you can add funds to your account. Then after that, you can begin trading. Okay. But if we actually go back to the main part of the website, I want you guys to understand, you can see right up here, they do have this login button. Okay. So they have a lot of tailored services, okay, and benefits, right? So we're talking about spreads, we're talking about personal account managers and priority support. All right. Now, I also want you guys to understand we're talking about multi-asset market access. So if we actually take a look here, you guys can see we have tools, right? But we also have education, and then we have analytics. So you guys, they provide a lot of different things. So if we actually take a look here, we got technical analysis and we have fundamental analysis. Some of the different type of things that they have to offer, we're talking about currencies, we're talking about commodities, we're talking about indices, we're talking about stocks from a single unified platform. So everything is literally right here. So as stated, we got multi-asset market access, right? It ensures diversification, accessibility, obviously for traders of all experience, as I have mentioned. Okay, and you guys can definitely see that. Now, if we actually take a look up here, you guys will see tools. There's a lot. We got informers, calendars, calculators. We've got signals, right? Which is actually really cool as well. So I'm going to highly recommend that you guys dive down into this so you can get a better opportunity and you can actually learn about this. But if we actually take a look, you guys will see right here, obviously we got like buy, sell, and we have neutral. Okay. And this is against different indicators. Okay. Which is great. All right. One thing I want to go ahead and point out, you guys, is that if we actually take a look here, I mean, Eden Gate Group, I mean, it's been featured in reputable let's say, articles. Okay, let's just call it that, or press releases. Okay, so if we actually take a look here, you guys will see we got one. Eating Gate Wealth Management ensures fast order execution for smooth transactions. We got another one right here. Okay, so obviously management provides powerful tools and analytics for accuracy. Okay, which is actually really awesome. And something else to mention, you guys. I mean, everything here, okay, they have secure protocols and encryption. Obviously, this safeguards your data, okay? Not only that, but your transactions as well. It adheres to KYC, AML regulations, building a safe and compliant trading environment. Obviously, we know this is important nowadays. If we take a look here, you guys will see that they do have some great reviews, and that is exactly what we like to see here. So we can actually just kind of scroll here and see what they have, okay? Not only that, we even have ones right here as well from reviews.io, all right? So listen, you guys. I mean, the testimonials, I mean, they definitely praise ease of use. Not only that, but AI trading features and customer support. All right. So we're talking about AI powered micro trades. Obviously, this is ideal for small investments. All right. So their tools, you guys, once again, you guys will see right up here, there's a lot. Okay. There's a lot of different things that you can actually check out. But I want you guys to understand we're talking about AI tools. They open multiple small trades aiming for, let's say, steady, consistent profits. Right? You guys can actually see the different hours of different markets here, which is good. But it's ideal for low risk, entry level investors wanting to actually test the waters. All right. Make sure you guys check this out. Make sure you guys dive down into it. And I want you guys to understand you definitely do not want to miss out here. Okay. So I think this is going to be an amazing opportunity, especially if you are new. All right. So check it out. Let us know exactly what you guys think. Once again, this is going to be a great place to start trading. Analytics, education, right? Everything here. They got video lessons. You could see that right there. Tools, right? And then they even have company. Okay. And as mentioned, if we actually take a look here, you can learn about the overall mission, vision, and stuff like that. Okay. So anyways, just go up here. You can go to log in. Okay, you can go to get started, so you can actually sign up if needed. All right, you can go over here to register, whatever you prefer. Put in your email, password, repeat password, and accept the agreements. All right, so let us know what you think. We'll see you in the next video. Okay, so if you guys will, be sure to leave some comments down below and tell me, what did you think about this website? Be sure to go check it out. Links are going to be in the description. Smash up that like button, smash up the subscribe button, and we'll see you in the next video.